Alright, so we've created our navbar right now, but I want to show you one more thing which kind of extends this navbar idea, and that is badges. Now, I like to use badges for things like notifications or when you've got new messages or something like that. So I'm going to show you how to add, say, a circle here for a profile image and then a little notification or badge next to it to say they've got X new messages. So let's head back over to the navbar. And instead of this login thing over here, I'm going to replace that. We'll just delete login. And what we'll do is create some kind of circular round icon and pretend that's some kind of thumbnail for the user's profile. So to do that, we'll create a button which is floating. So we'll say class is equal to btn floating. And then what we'll do is give this indigo color and darken -4. So if I save that, oops, we need to spell this correctly, save that, then we should see this floating button right here. Now currently it's got a bit of a shadow and I don't particularly like that. So what we'll do is say z-depth 0 to take away that and make it flat so that now we see that is flat on the navigation. So imagine this could be some kind of user's thumbnail. And I tell you what we'll do, we'll add a little icon in the middle of some kind of person just in case they don't have a thumbnail image. So to do that, oops, we'll open up this anchor tag and inside do i.material-icons to create an icon. And this icon is going to be called notifications. All right, so if I save that now, we should see that over here. So we get that little bell icon in this circle. Now, normally if you have some kind of notifications, you might get a little square or circle right here saying how many notifications you have, and that is what a badge is going to be used for in this scenario. So then let's create another li tag for this badge, and inside I'll do a span, and this is going to have a class of badge, and we're also going to give this a class of white-text to make the text in the badge white, and we'll make the badge background itself pink. And let's just say they have 5 new notifications. So let's save that and view this in a browser. And we can see this thing over here which says 5. Now, just to make this a bit better, we can use a class called new and then look at this. And now we see it's got rounded corners and it says new next to it. Okay, cool. So at the minute, the positioning is slightly off. We have the badge. That's what the badge keyword has done for us and this new keyword as well. But what I'd like to do is position it myself nearer to this bell over here so you can kind of combine the two together and you know that it means you've got 5 new notifications. So to do that, let's just add a little bit of our own CSS, and we don't normally add a lot of CSS when we're using Materialize because most of it is done for us, but every now and again you do need to add your own little bit of CSS just to override certain things. So what we're going to do is grab the nav and then the badge inside it because it has a class of badge, right? Then we'll give this a position of absolute and we'll position this from the top 20. In fact, no, we'll give this a position of relative. And then we just want to offset it by 20 pixels from the top and also 20 pixels from the right. And that should probably do it, to be honest. If we take a look at a browser, now we can see that it's next to this thing and it looks more like we've got 5 new notifications, but you could position it however you want. But there we go, guys. That is a badge, just the badge keyword right there, and also the new keyword to add in the new thing right there and the rounded corners.